Hi students, today we shall start principle of mathematical induction. Actually, what is principle of mathematical induction? What kind of thing is this? You know, in AP series we know sum of AP series 1 plus 2 plus 3 plus ... n equals to n into n plus 1 by 2. Sum of an AP series is sum is n into n plus 1 by 2. So this is the left hand side. This is the statement. We can prove this statement. In that way, we can prove this equals to this. By mathematical induction, we can prove this equals to this. This is called first term, second term, third term, nth term is this. Suppose here n equals to 1. Then 1 means when n equals first term, then 1 equals to left hand side is 1. First term is 1. When n equals to 1, this is 1. First term should be taken. When n equals to 2, you have to take second two terms. Then 1 plus 2. When n equals to 3, we have to take 1 plus 2 plus 3. 1 here, put it here, this is first term, n equals to 1. 1 plus 1 by 2, that is 2 by 2, that is 1. Therefore, n equals to 1 is true. Suppose n equals to 2, that is 1 plus 2 equals to 2 plus 1 by 2. That is 3. 1 plus 2 is 3. This is 3. Therefore, LHS equals to RHS. Therefore, n equals to 2 is true. When n equals to 3, first term, second term, third term, this equals to 3 plus 1 by 2. Put it the left hand, right hand. That is 6 equals to 3 into 4 by 2. That is 6. Therefore, n equals to 3 is true. Therefore, in this way, we can prove n equals to n, number of terms n. Then 1 plus 2 plus 3 ... n equals to n into n plus 1 by 2. Put it here. Therefore, n equals to n. This is true. So, therefore, you can write n equals to m. Then m into m plus 1 by 2. In this way, we can prove by this way of statement to prove this is called mathematical induction. Now, let us do few sums related mathematical induction. Sum number 1. 1, 2, 3, 2, 3, 4, 3, 4, 5, ... n into n plus 1, n plus 2 equals to n into n plus 1, n plus 2, n plus 3 over 4. With the help of mathematical induction, we have to prove this equals to this. Now we can write the sum, the statement Pn. This is the statement Pn is this. Now let us put n equals to 1. For n equals to 1, we can write, let n equals to 1, it is true. Then P1. P1 means first term. When n is 1, you have to take first term. When n is 2, you take two term. n equals to 3, first, second, third term. P1, let P1 be P1 equals to 1, 2, 3 equals to, put it 1 plus 1 plus 2, 1 plus 3 over 4. This is 6 equals to 2 into 3 into 4 by 4, that is 6. Therefore, P1 is true. Left hand side, right hand side is equal. Let it is true. Let it is true for PM. Let PM be true. Then put n equals to m. PM be true. Let PM be true. Then PM equals to 1, 2, 3, 2, 3, 4 dot 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 m plus 1, m plus 2 equals to m into m plus 1, m plus 2 into m plus 3 over 4. Then put n equals to m plus 1. Let this be true, therefore this n equals to m plus 1, that is p m plus 1 equals to pm plus 1. We have to write this 1, 2, 3, 2, 3, 4. You put a, instead of m, put m plus 1. M plus 1, m plus 2, m plus 3 equals to, put it here, m plus 1, m plus 1, m plus 2, m plus 3, m plus 4 over 4. Its previous term should be m into m plus 1, m plus 2. If this is the last term, its previous term is this, we underline it because its value we know. This value of this term is this. So equals to, if its value is this, put it here. We have to prove this equals to this. Then Pm plus 1 will be true. Let Pm is true, then Pm is this we got. Let then therefore Pm plus 1, we have, if we prove Pm plus 1 is this, then Pm plus 1 will be true. Now its value is this, m plus 1, m plus 2, m plus 3 over 4 plus this, till this value, its value is this, its value is this, put it here, plus this, m plus 1, m plus 2, m plus 3. This equals to, taking common, this and this is common, that is m plus 1, m plus 2, m plus 3 common, m by 4 plus 1 equals to m plus 1, m plus 2, m plus 3, m plus 4 over 4. So look here, that equals to right hand side. You got the Pm plus 1 is, you got right hand side. Therefore Pm plus 1 is true. Therefore Pm plus 1 is true. Therefore we can write Pm plus 1 is true. Therefore Pm is true. We took, let Pm be true. Then Pm is this. Then we got Pm plus 1 is true. Therefore Pm is true. Then therefore Pm is true. Therefore hence by mathematical induction, we can say hence by mathematical induction, in another induction, Pm, we got Pm is true. Hence by mathematical induction, Pn is true for n belongs to any natural number n. Or n belongs to any natural number. That's all. That is the mathematical induction proof. Now let us do next sum number 2. Question number 2. 1 by 2 into 5 plus 1 by 5 into 8, 1 by 8 into 11 plus dot 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 1 by 3n minus 1 into 3n plus 2. This is the nth term. This equals to n by 6n plus 4. By mathematical induction, we have to prove value of this series is sum of this series is this. Let, just like previous sum, let Pn equals to statement Pn is to this. Pn is this. Put n equals to 1. Then P1. 1 means first term. That is 1, 2.5, that is 10. 2 with the dot means this is into. This is into. 1 by 5, 10 equals to, put n equals to 1 right hand side. 1 by 6 into 1 plus 4. That is 1 by 10. Therefore, P1 is true. Let Pm be true. Then Pm equals to 1 by 2 into 5 plus 1 by 5 into 8 plus 1 by 8 into 11, 1 by 3m minus 1 into 3m plus 2 equals to m by 6m plus 4. 6m plus 4. Then put n equals to m plus 1. N equals to m plus 1. Then p m plus 1. Let Pm be true. Then Pm is this. We getting m plus 1. Pm plus 1 equals to put in instead of m, putting m plus 1. 1 by 2 into 5. 1 by 5 into 8. 8 into 11. Last term. 1 by 3. Putting m instead of m, putting m plus 1. That is 3m plus 3 minus 1. That is 3m plus 3m plus 2 into 3m plus 3 plus 2. 3m plus 5. This equals to m plus 1 by 6m plus 5. This is the last term. Its previous term will be 1 by 3m minus 1, 3m plus 2. Pm plus 1 last term, its previous term will be this, and underline its value. We know value of this term is this and this. Value of term is that equals to m by, we taking 6m plus 4. Its value is this, plus 1 by, we can take 2 common here, 3m plus 2. Its value 3 common, 3m plus 2. Its value is this, plus 1 by 3m plus 2, 3m plus 5. Its value is this plus this. We have to put its addition value should be this. Then Pm plus will be true. Then this equals to this. Then this equals to, taking common. 1 by 3m plus 2 is common. M by 2 plus, it is common, 1 by 3m plus 5 equals to 1 by 3m plus 2 into 3m plus 5 LCM, then 3m square plus 5m plus 2. 3m square plus 5m, middle term break. 3m square plus 5m plus 2, 6, 3 plus 2. 3m plus 2m plus 2. Here is 3m common, m plus 1 plus 2 common, m plus 1. We got that is 1 by 3m plus 2 into 3m plus 2, 3m plus 2 into n plus 1 by 2 into 3m plus 5. 3m plus 2, it is 3m plus 2, 3m plus 2, 3 will cancel, that is 1 by 2 into, we can write 6m plus 10, this will be m plus 1, 6m plus 6m plus 10, that is equals to right hand side. So pm plus 1 এর value, this which is left hand side, right hand side, therefore pm plus 1 is true. Therefore in conclusion we can write, therefore pm plus 1 is true. Therefore pm is true. Hence, by principle of mathematical induction, Pn is true for n belongs to any natural number. That's all. Next, sum number 3. Question number 3. Let the statement be 1 to the power 3 plus 2 to the power 3 plus 3 to the power 3 n to the power 3 equals to n square n plus 1 by 4. We have to prove. This is a statement. By mathematical induction, we have to prove this statement. Let Pn be the statement. Now put n equals to 1. So P1 equals to 1 at cube equals to 1 square 1 plus 1 by 4, 1 plus 1 whole square by 4, that is 4 by 4, that is 1, that is right hand side. Left hand side equals to right hand side. This is 1 and this is 1. Therefore P1 is true. Let Pm be true. Then Pm equals to 1q plus 2q plus 3q m cube equals to m square m plus 1 whole square by 4. Let this be true. Therefore P m plus 1, we can write 1q plus 2q plus 3q m plus 1 and whole cube. Its previous term will be m cube. This equals to m plus 1 whole square m plus 2 whole square by 4. We have to prove this. Then underline this, its value we know, this equals to m square m plus 1 whole square by 4. Its value is this, plus m plus 1 whole cube. We can take m plus 1 whole square common from these two, that is m square by 4 plus m plus 1. M plus 1 whole square common, taking m plus 1, that equals to m plus 1 whole square, that is m square plus 4n plus 4 over 4, that is m plus 1 whole square, this is m plus 2 whole square, m plus 2 whole square, that you got this equals to right hand side. Pm plus 1 at value we got right hand side, therefore Pm plus 1 is true, then Pn is true. Hence by mathematical induction, P n is true for n belongs to any natural number. Sum number 4. 1 into 3 plus 1, 3 into 5 plus 1, 5 into 7 plus the nth term equals to n by. Here in this series, nth term is not given. We have to find what will be the nth term. Here, look here, first term in this. We can write n 2n minus 1, 2n plus 1 is first term. You have to convert like this. Look here, is first term, when n is 1, 2 minus 1 is 1, 2 plus 1 is 3. Whenever n is second term, 2, 4 minus 1 is 3, 4 plus 1 is 5. When n is value 3, 6 minus 1 is 5, 6 plus 1 is 7. So this will be your nth term. That is because we can 1 by 1, 3 into 5 plus 1 by 5 into 7. Nth term will be 1 by 2n minus 1, 2n plus 1. This is the nth term. If nth term not given, you have to get this using this formula. First term, second term, that will be. Now let put n equals to 1, then P1. Mi1 is first term, that is 1 into 3 equals to, put it to 1 by 2 into 1 plus 1 implies 1 by 3 equals to 1 by 3 equals to right hand side. Therefore, P1 is true. Let Pm be true. Then Pm equals to 1 into 3 plus 1 by 3 into 5. You can write dot also, no problem. This dot means into plus 1 by 5 dot 7 dot 1 by 2m minus 1 into 2m plus 1 equals to m by 2m plus 1. Then Pm plus 1 equals to 1 by 1 dot 3 into 5 into 7 dot plus, putting m plus 1, that will be 2m plus 1, 2m plus 2 minus 1, that is 2m plus 1, 1 by 2m plus 1, this will be 2m plus 3, put m equals to m plus 1, that equals to m plus 1, 2m plus 2, that is 2m plus 3, put m plus 1. You have to prove this, 2m plus 2 plus 2m plus 3. Its previous term will be 1 by 2m minus 1, 2m plus 1. It is m plus 1 term. Pm plus 1 is previous to underline this because you know its value is this. M by 2m plus 1 by 1 by 2m plus 1 into 2m plus 3. Its value is this, then plus, then this, put it here. Here 1 by 2m plus 1 is common. M plus 1 by 2m plus 3 equals to 1 by 2m plus 1, do addition, this is 1, that is 2m plus 3, that is 2m square plus 3m plus 1 equals to 1 by 2m plus 1, 2m square plus m, do a middle term break, 2m square 2m plus m plus 1, 2m common, m plus 1, 1 common, m plus 1. Factorize this, that is 2m plus 1 into m plus 1 over 2m plus 3. 2m plus 1 to cancel, that equals to m plus 1 over 2m plus 3. We got its value, we got this, hence equals to right hand side. Then P m plus 1 is true. M plus 1 is true, therefore Pm is true. Hence, by mathematical induction, we can say induction Pn is true for n belongs to any natural number. That is the proof of this statement. Next, sum number 5. Question number 5. Prove that 7 to the power 2n plus 2 to the power 2n minus 3, 3n minus 3 into 3 to the power n minus 1, 2 to the power 3n minus 3, 3 to the power n minus 1 is divisible by 25. This is a statement, is divisible by 25, we have to prove it. Let Pn is the statement Pn is this, divisible by 25. Then Pm equals to, taking here first of all P1, put instead of 1, 7 to the power 2 plus 2 to the power 3 minus n value 1, 3 minus 3 into 2 to the power 0. This is plus 2 to the power 0 into, that is 7 to the power 2 means 49, 2 to the power 0 to the 0, that is plus 1, that is 50. Hence P1 is true. 50 is divisible by 25, which is divisible by 25, then P1 is true. Let get Pm, 7 to the power 2m plus 2 to the power 3m minus 3 into 3 to the power m minus 1. Pm is this. We can break it like this, 7 to the power 2m plus 2 to the power 3m into 2 to the power, that is by 8. 2 to the power minus 3 minus 8, 1 by 8. into 3 to the power n, the minus 1 means denominator is 3. Then pm plus 1, 7 to the power 2m plus 2 plus 2 to the power 3m plus 3, 3m plus 3 minus 3, that is 3m, 2 to the power 3m into 3 to the power m plus 1, that is 3 to the power 3. That is 7 to the power 2m into 7 to the power 2 plus 2 to the power 3m into 27. So P1, Pm plus 1 is this. Pm plus 1, 27. Two to the power m plus 2 to the power 2n, 2m plus 2, 49, 7 to the power 2m, 7 to the power 2, 24. This is 7 to the power n plus 1, 2 to the power 3n n minus 1, 3 to the power n is equal to 1, 3 to the power 0. This will 3 to the power 0, that is 3 to the power n minus 1, that is 3 to the power put n minus 1. Instead of m plus 1, that is 3 to the power n into 3 to the power n. That equals to 7 to the power 2n into 49. 2 to the power 3 means 8. 24 to the power n. 2 to the power 3 means 8 to the power n, 3 to the power n, that is 24 to the power n. Now, if we do addition, Pm plus 1 and Pm to add, Pm plus 1 plus Pm, this plus this, that is 49, 7 to the power 2n plus 24 to the power n plus 7 to the power 2n plus this is, we can write that, we can write 7 to the power 2n plus 24 to the power n by 24. 24 to the power n by 24. 24 to the n by 24. This plus this. 7 to the power n plus 24 to the power n by 24. Then we can take this plus this. 49 into 7 to the power 2n, 7 to the power 2n, if we take common, 49, 7 to the power 2n plus 7 to the power 2n plus 24 to the power n plus 24 to the power n by 24. These two, 7 to the power 2n is common, 49 plus 1, 24 to the power n is common, 1 plus 1 by 24. That we can write 50 into 7 to the power 2m plus 25 by 24 into 24 to the power m. We can write a minus 1. From this we can take 25 is common. 2 into 7 to the power 2m plus 24 to the power m minus 1. This statement we got. Which is divisible by 24? Which is divisible by 25? So we got 25 2 into 7 to the power 2m plus 24 to the power m minus 1, which is 25 into, suppose this is constant, into lambda. Whenever lambda, which is this whole thing is constant, which is divisible by 25. This 25 into lambda, 25, put this is as lambda. So this which is divisible by 25. So that's all your proof. Next sum number 6. Sum number 6. 5 to the power 4 to the power n, 4 to the power n plus 15 to the power n minus 1, 15n minus 1. 4 to the power n plus 15n minus 1 divisible by 9. By mathematical induction, you have to prove this statement is divisible by 9. Let Pn be the statement which is divisible by 9. Then just like previous, P1, 4 to the power 1, 15 into 1 minus 1. That is 4 plus 15 minus 1. 19, that is 18, which is divisible by 9. 18 is divisible by 9, therefore P1 is true. Similarly, P2, P3 true. Let Pm be true. Then Pm equals to 4 to the power n plus 15n minus 1. Let Pm be true. Then Pm plus 1, 4 to the power n plus 1, 15 n plus 1 minus 1, that is 4 to the power n into 4 plus 15n plus 15 minus 1, that is 4 to the power m into 4 plus 15n plus 14. So this is the statement, this is the statement. Now Pm plus 1 minus 4pm, 4pm. We can do this minus this also, no problem. We do subtraction this into, because this will cancel. That is 4 into 4 to the power m plus 15m plus 14 minus 4 into this. 4 into 4 to the power m plus 60m minus plus 4. This should be this minus this, it's a minus 60m. So this and this cancel. This minus this. This plus will be minus, a minus, a plus. That is minus 45m plus 18. We can take common. 9 is common. Minus 5m plus 2 equals to 9 lambda. This is constant, which is by 9. Therefore, sum number 7. Question number 7. Prove that 3 to the power 4n plus 1 plus 2 to the power 2n plus 2 is divisible by 7. By mathematical induction, we have to prove this divisible by 7. Let the statement be Pn. Let Pn be the statement this, just like previous sum, P1 equals to 3 to the power 4, that is 5, plus 2 to the power 4, that is 3 to the power 5 is how much? 81 into 3, 243, plus 16, 259 divided by 7, which is divisible because 259 is divisible by 7. 259 is divisible by 7. Now let Pm be the true, then Pm equals to 3 to the power 4m plus 1 plus 2 to the power 2m plus 2. We can write breaking 3 to the power 4m into 3 plus 2 to the power 2m into 4. Keep it like this. Then Pm plus 1, 3 to the power 4m plus 5, because 4 plus 4 plus 1 plus 2 to the power 2m plus 2, 2m plus 4. We can break like this: 3 to the power 4m, 3 to the power 5 plus 2 to the power 2m, 2 to the power 4, that is 16. Now Pm plus 1 minus 4, here is 16, here is 4, so multiply 4 Pm. We have to eliminate either 2 to the power 2m or 3 to the power 4m. That's why we are doing this operation. So we got 3 to the power 4m into 3 to the power 5 plus 2 to the power 2m into 16 minus 4 into this means 12 into 4 to the 3 to the power 4n plus 6 minus this minus 16 into 2 to the power 2m, this into 4, this into 1, then 16 to the power 12 will cancel, then we can take 3 to the power 4m is common, this is 3 to the power 5 is 243 minus 12, that is 3 to the power 4m, 243 minus 12, which is divisible by 231 equals to 231. That is 33 into 7 into 3 to the power 4n, which is divisible by 7. That is 7 into lambda. This and this means lambda, which is divisible by 7. Therefore, Pn is true. Therefore, Pn, the statement is true. And for n belongs to any natural number. So, have a note of these sums, and please, if you like my videos, please subscribe. Okay, thank you.